Greg Peterson is great at finding trends in the agricultural equipment market, and this week Pete's still seeing strong prices paid for good condition used equipment since the calendar flipped to 2018. Greg?
Well, last week, folks, we talked about what happened at the end of 2017 with used farm equipment values, and they went up a little bit. Well, then the question becomes, what happened to Pete when the calendar flipped into January? Well, I think the perfect answer could be found last Wednesday on a farm auction in central Illinois by my good friends at Mike Moskey Auction Service. Now, here was the combine on this farm sale. It was an 05 John Deere 9660 STS, 1,868 engine hours on it, sold for $73,000. Now, for comparison's sake, last year, the average auction price on a 9660 was $59,222. Now, if we talk tractors on the sale last Wednesday, Mike sold a pair of CaseIH MX230s. And here's a picture of the 03 model, just over $2,400. This thing sold for $69,000. Now, they also had an 04 model, just over $3,200, that went for $60,000. Now, those two prices, that's the third and the fifth highest auction price on an MX230 I've seen the last 3.5 years. But really, the tractor that popped the most on the sale last Wednesday in central Illinois was this 1995 CaseIH 5250 two-wheel drive, one owner, 2,070 hours on it, sold for $40,000. Now, folks, I had to go back 17 years to find an auction price that high on a two-wheel drive 5250. So I think this sale, this nice condition stuff, these strong prices shows that this trend is holding. The demand is there for this nicest stuff, and again, pricing, very solid.